Is your Amazon Fire TV Cube running slow, lagging, or taking forever to load apps? Here are the most effective fixes to speed it up and get it running smoothly again. So for that, first you have to restart your Fire TV Cube, because over time background processes can build up and use system resources which can make the device feel slow. So for that, you just have to grab your Fire TV Cube remote and then you have to press and hold the play pause button and the select button together about 5 seconds. And then you see a pop-up that your TV is restarting. And after that, you have to disable autoplay content on the home screen. So you just have to go to your settings, then preference, and then featured content. So here you have to turn off both allow video autoplay and allow audio autoplay. So while you are in preference, open data monitoring and turn it off as well. This feature actually tracks users in the background and disabling it may help free up some system resources. Now clear the cache from apps you use regularly. So for that, you just have to go to settings and from the applications, so here you find this option clear cache. So just go for it and it will clear the old app caches. Another important thing to check is your available storage space. So when storage gets too full, overall system performance can suffer. So from your manage install application, uninstall any apps you no longer use. If your Fire TV Cube supports it, you can also enable automatic offload in the application settings. This feature automatically removes unused apps while keeping your account information available for later. And if the home screen feels slow or content isn't loading properly, try syncing your Amazon account data. For that, go to settings, then account and profile settings, and from here, you just have to select sync Amazon content. This actually refreshes your account information and can often improve home screen responsiveness. Next, make sure your Fire TV Cube is running the latest software version. For that, go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and from About, select Check for updates or install updates. So whatever you see, if an update available, just go for it and allow the device to restart when finished. But if the issue still isn't resolved, you can try deregistering and re-registering your Amazon account. So this is the last fix you can try. So for that, you just have to head over settings, then account and profile settings, go to select your Amazon account, choose deregister. So before confirming, make sure you know your Amazon account email and password, and once deregistered, sign back in with the same account and allow the device to sync your data again. And that's it. I hope one of these fixes should help speed up your Fire TV Cube and reduce lag. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.